Hi, my name is Veena. I did my undergraduation from Sri Ramchandra Medical College. I secured a rank of 648 in this year's NEET.
Hi, I'm Sai Vaishnavi. I secured rank of 17 in NEET PG 2019. I did my undergraduation from Government Kilpak Medical College.
Hi, hello. I'm Harihar Sudan from Tanjore Medical College and my NEET rank is 104.
Hi, this is Aravind Kumar from Government Vellore Medical College. I have secured a rank of 717 in NEET PG 2019.
Hi, this is Nivedita from Chengalpet Government Medical College and Hospital. I secured a rank of 110 in this year's NEET PG exam.
Hi, this is R. Karthikeyan from Melmuruttur Medical College. I got a rank of 43 in this NEET PG.
Hi, I am Dr. Karthikeyan from Government Vellore Medical College. I have secured a 126 rank in NEET 2019.
Hi, I am Gayatri. I did my undergraduate from Government KPD Vishwanathan Medical College. I got rank 50 in this year NEET PG 2019.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar Rajpurohit. I did my undergraduation from IIT Perundur Medical College.
Initially, I was very apprehensive about the subject medicine, it being a very vast subject. After attending Dilip sir's MMS classes, I understood a lot of concepts crystal clear.
As every other student preparing for post-graduation, we all have our own fears about how to prepare all subjects, especially medicine. Being it a very vast subject, we will be initially clueless as to where to start and where to end. And I would say Dilip sir's Medicine Made Simple classes are an answer to all of your doubts and questions.
Sincere thanks to Dilip sir for his Medicine Made Simple classes. For anyone preparing for this NEET entrance exam, a huge subject is a difficult task and you cannot rely completely on a review book for that. You need a very good faculty and a good theory class for that, and for that my best option would be Dilip sir's medicine classes.
And one of the main factors influencing my performance in this exam and the institute exams was Dilip sir and his medicine classes.
I was always very difficult in understanding medicine concepts, and after attending Dilip sir's medicine class, I am very clear to crack most of the MCQs from medicine, and he also added a lot of recent updates, and which was very useful in attending institute exam MCQs. Dilip sir's medicine class added my passion towards medicine is one of the factors to decide my post-graduation for my future.
I attended Dilip sir's MMS lectures during my internship days. Actually, the recent trend of asking MCQs in the recent exams is changing from single one-liners to complicated case managements. I would strongly recommend every PG aspirant to attend these MMS lectures to have a good view of how to solve these clinical MCQs. He really solves it in the most logical way as it could be.
I attend Dilip sir MMS class. May not be possible if I haven't attended Dilip sir's MMS class. It's a great inspiration for me. His way of teaching, his way of explaining topic. He correlates each and every subjects to medicine.
As we are PG aspirants, we came to know each subject carry different marks, and medicine carries a huge chunk of it. Before attending Dilip sir MMS,
I attended Dilip sir's MMS class last year in the June month, and the 10-day journey of these classes was not just lectures, it was a beautiful journey.
Though 10 days of 12 hours each might look very exhaustive and gigantic, I can assure you any person who has attended Dilip sir's MMS will tell you that it is not at all exhaustive. In fact, we enjoyed it so much that it had become a pattern for us for 10 days, and at the end of 10 days we started missing his classes.
Because he makes medicine so simple. I even thought that these 10 days I would not be very strong to endure these 10 days of medicine, but you will not know that these 10 days fly very fast and you will have a huge load of information. And in this year also I could crack many MCQs, not only from medicine but from every other subject through his notes and classes.
Even highly conceptual and difficult topics were made very easy to understand and also interesting. I think in this NEET, all the questions in general medicine were from his notes, and so were questions from many other subjects.
The mere presence of the sir is just inspiring. His passion for the subject helps us to more focus on the subject, and his concepts starts from the scraps from the basic subjects of the first year, and this just not only helps us to clarify doubts of medicine alone but other subjects as well, and this helped me to get a rank of 228 in the NEET PG 2019.
And also sir's notes are very extensive, and in the last 2 months I realized that going through sir's notes alone was covering more concepts and more subjects, and it definitely gave me an edge in my preparation.
Actually difficult to correlate medicines, and after attending this class each subject and each correlation and concept were very clear, and it was easy to correlate medicine.
The most highlighting factors which I admired a lot in this lectures were he solved the mysteries of ECGs, arrhythmias and electrolyte imbalances, and the whole endocrinology part I enjoyed a lot. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Dilip sir. And even after getting rank in NEET PG, I want to attend Dilip sir class once again. Thank you, Dilip sir.
I sincerely thank Dilip sir for his classes and his passion for the subject and his gem for all the doctors aspiring to clear NEET PG. Thank you very much, sir.
For me, attending Dilip sir's classes and learning medicine from him has been one of the best experiences I've had.
So I kindly thanks Dilip sir for his medicine MMS.
So I need to thank Dilip sir for helping us cross the seemingly uncrossable sea of medicine.
I thank Dilip sir's classes for this success of mine.